All right, so let's proceed for our next category. The next category is, can we have on the screen, Beverage Packaging Design of the Year. And the winner is...
Govind Milk and Milk Products.
Yes, it's Govind Milk and Milk Products Private Limited. And to collect the award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Dharmendra Bhalla and team. Let's give them a huge round of applause. And also I would request जितने भी हमारे अवार्ड विनर्स हैं प्लीज़ यहीं पे बैठे रहें क्योंकि वी नीड टू टेक अ ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ और इसके साथ हमारे यहाँ पे मीडिया इंटरव्यूज़ भी हैं आपके.
Thank you, Synnex. We are a Maharashtrian-based company. Presently, we have a major sales in Maharashtra, but soon we'll be having our products in Delhi and NCR also. So you'll see Govind Milk and Milk Products, ghee and other products in NCR. And I'd like to thank my brand manager, Akshay, Chetan, and Arun, who is the sales guy here. These people have worked in designing the product and the packaging. And that includes even our director. She had taken a lot of care while designing the ghee packaging. Thank you very much for the award. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Many congratulations to Govind Milk and Milk Products Private Limited.